little artist. Today we will learn some awesome drawing and coloring skills. Let's begin. First up, let's connect the dots and see what's hiding behind those numbers. Just follow the numbers in order. Ready, set, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woohoo! It's an airplane! Now grab your favorite crayons and start coloring it in. Pick a yellow crayon and color the airplane's body. Looking great! Now we will color its cockpit and wings with the pink color. Now it's time to color the windows. Let's give them a blue color. Now color the engine with the palette of green crayon. Good going, kids, we are almost there. Now fill the eyes with your favorite color. Wow, it's looking great. Something is still missing. What it is? Yes, the clouds. Now color the clouds blue. Yes, we are almost done, friends. Now give this art a finishing touch. Put some sprinkles here. Hooray! Our airplane is looking amazing. Oh dear, look who's next. It's our lovely deer friend. Now, let's move on to coloring a palette and paint the deer. Dip your brush into the orange color and paint the body. Very good, kids. Good going. Yes, it's done. Now paint some part with the color yellow. Yes, you're doing it right. Now color the ears. We will paint the horns and toes with the color brown. We have painted the deer. It's time for some fun tracing and coloring. Say hello to our cute little ladybug. Now start tracing its outline. Yes, yes. You're doing great, kids. Very good. You have traced the ladybug very well. Now it's time to color it with your favorite sketch pens. Pick up a red sketch pen and color the ladybug's body. It's also called the elytra. Bravo, kids! The red is looking great. Now quickly pick up black sketch because now we will color the remaining parts. Yes, color the spots. Wonderful, kids! It's looking so good. Now color the legs, head and antenna. You are doing nice work, kids. Don't stop. Keep going. Yes, excellent, kids. We have completed the tracing and coloring activity of a ladybug.